and let's start. Okay, I will share my screen. And let me tell you what I want to go over today. Let me just double check first. I don't know what I did. In fact, I worked on that at night and I destroyed something. What happened now? Yeah. Okay. We go to Academy City. I hope I didn't. I put a link to something very important and I can't find it all of a sudden. Okay. This is a topic that I want to teach you guys next semester.
Yes.
When I thought that that's the right place to put it, can't find it here for some reason. I lost it for some reason. Let me find it again. I closed that link. This one. Yeah, this is not the one I wanted. I wanted pagination. Pagination. But I found a good one. Example. And I wanted the function. There's many ways you can do it, but I like the function style. More straightforward. Okay, let's see, maybe this is it. No, I think it's the second one. Let's see, this is it. I think it's this one. No, this is the old one. This is the old style. I think this guy has the same one. Bear with me a second. It's the same guy, I think it is. Close this one. See if we can find him. Yeah, I think this is the one I wanted. Yeah, this is the one I wanted. Yeah, this is the one I wanted. I thought that I made a link in Academy City for that for you. You know, today when you write, you don't really have any more to write this one. Where's Academy City? Yeah, there's a lot of those kind of things. Yeah, see, is that here? Yeah, here we go. Let me edit here. I think this is important. No, it is there, by the way. I don't know why I missed it. How to create infinite scoring. It's already there. I forgot to publish it. Okay, good. So this is a good article, by the way. We'll get back to that in a second and explain, okay? Let's go back to here. I screwed up something. Let me try to see if I can fix it, okay? Let me see if I can fix it and then start all over from scratch. So I'm gonna go to Gallery and I'm going to do right click and rename. Anybody see rename? Refactor, rename. How are you, Daniel? Daniel, you good?
I'm fine. Yes, I'm fine.
I'm going to download from from my GitHub. See, this is one of the advantage. It is, I have a lot of those projects. the one that I want, but this one you cannot go into because it is private. You need to log in to be able to go into this one. Yeah, let me log in. I need to log in, sign in. There's some of them that I open to the public. This one, it's private because it's really the most important one. And let me go over. I'll download it. I will download the whole things, but I will copy. I will copy the one that I need is, okay? I'm gonna copy the one, Globsy. Oh, this is not the one I wanted. Should be another one. This is not the one I wanted. There should be another one, should be two. Yeah, this is the one I want. Okay. Yeah, this is the one I wanted. And I need a web house. I screwed up for some reason. I really screwed up, but this is the one that I needed. Okay, let me copy, go here back. Let's see if I can go to home projects. And projects. And apps. Fab. That will take me there. And templates. And one here. And I hope to put this one here. Paste. It doesn't let me for some reason. I knew it. So what I would do, let me see if that's what's going on. Gallery. Gallery. Here. Let's see if that okay. See gallery? Yeah, it did. Okay, let's go back here. There should be a gallery. This is the old one. There should be. Let's look at the old one, okay? Let's start the project on my computer. Project. And this is the one, this is theirs. This is something architecture. This is Academy City we don't need. This one we will need. And this one we might need. Let me go back to here. Let me go close this one, close this one. This one is an Academy City. We'll get back to that. Let me close that. Let me close that. Let me leave this one. And let's leave this one. Let's go back to here. 127. By the way, you already have, you can just go here, put, I'm opening on my computer. I'm putting the F. So we go to that. Okay, very good. Let's go to the gallery. This is the gallery that we had before, okay? Everything looks so, but see what happened. It's so slow. See that? Very, very, very. You got it? We want to make it work fast. And here when you click, it's supposed to take you. It doesn't open, by the way. Very interesting. Yeah, the problem is here. We're probably missing some library. But the question is that important? If you look at their website, Daniel, I think we missed something here. This is the web page, and we screwed up somehow. So it takes a long time here. But for some reason, when I click on it on our web page, see, this is our web page. When I click on it, it doesn't like me. You see that? It's supposed to, on theirs, it does work. When I click on it, it's open the screen. You got it? Daniel? Is Daniel with us?
Yes.
Yeah. I think we have an error in the way we did the gallery. See that? You with me?
Yes, doctor.
You see, when we're clicking, it doesn't go. And I don't know why. So let's do it again. We have no choice really. We do right click, and we do view page source. We take the whole thing, Control A, we copy it, we'll go here, and what we will do is, this one, we refactor, rename, and that's our right one. I'll get back to all of those. And I'm gonna make a new one, new HTML file. I call it Galerry. Fair enough. .html, enter. We do the whole process, but now we are expert on doing it, correct? And let's see if that works now in the way we expected it to work. Let's close this one. This is our, no, this is not ours. This is not ours. This is ours. Okay, let's put this one on the left. I will use it later on. For now, this is ours. But let's say I just put that page and I just want to see, I just copied the page really. Okay, let's see if this is work. Yeah, it does work. So it means we screwed up on something, correct? So let's walk step by step and fix it. So we're gonna go here. We have, you'll help me Daniel, is that right, Jimmy?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so make sure I won't make mistakes. By the way, all of those, we don't really care. And in fact, I'm gonna throw them away. I'm gonna throw all those pictures away. Okay, so let's get rid of those already now. We leave just few of them. By the way, if we go here, we do refresh, we'll have less pictures. Okay? But see, it's really, really slow. And this one I want to prevent. I just want to make sure, see, we have less pictures than that did. Okay? Yeah, I want to make sure that that works. Yeah, it does. So I want to delete more pictures. Let's see if that's still working. So we have less pictures. Okay. I'm deleting. Why is not showing me? Why is that showing me more pictures still? Yeah, it's still showing me more pictures for some reason. Maybe it's showing this backward. Okay, this looks like he's downloading a lot of pictures for no need. So I kept, oh, let me Control Z. Hey, let me keep only 2. I want to keep only 2. Let's see what happened now. I don't know how it gives me so many of them. Got it. Yeah, I have 2. You see that? Okay, I click here, I see the picture. This is good. I click here, I see the picture. So far, so good. Daniel, so far, so good.
Yes, doctor.
Good. Now we want to go and change the header. So we're going to go see less stuff we have than we used to.
For TV.
A lot of those libraries we know we can remove them. And we will see it should go faster. We are expert now. So let's go into the tab. And what we would like to do, the first things is, it's really remove this one, remove the head, and we would like, I just go to the contact, any one of them, and we copy those 3, copy those ones too. In fact, let's copy those ones. Control copy. Let's go to the, where is it? The gallery. I put the gallery. Where did I put the gallery? Let me close those ones. So just in case we don't get confused, we go to the gallery, Control V. And in fact, we have this one, and the truth of the matter is that we would like to go and see where the head is. Go to the head. We have the head here. Remember, we have the head. Let me double check. Let's go start with this one. Let's start with the meta. Make sure we don't get confused with anything. So let's take this stuff. Check it on the gallery. We did it, unfortunately. I think we screwed up. Something went wrong. So let's see which kind of meta. The title supposed to be, control. The title supposed to be gallery. We can change it later on, but the meta, okay? The meta, which one do we want to keep and which one we do not want to keep. So we have meta, those 2. Do we see those are here? Yeah, the scale is there. Is that right? This one is there, correct? So let's
Yes.
control meta. Here we go. I'm going to take this one. We'll do it quickly, Daniel, okay? We are expert now. Do we have that one? Yeah, we do. This is the same. Control Z, you can forget it. Control F, meta. Let's go to the next meta. And here we go. We have a lot of meta here. And let's see which one is. By the way, we know that this one already, it's unnecessary because this is in all of them is the same. I'll delete it, delete this one, and go to the meta. Fair enough?
Yeah.
So let's see now. Let's see if there is meta, we can start deleting Africa, first house Africa. There's another meta, another meta. So we have the content gallery. So the ones that they are not there, we would like to put in the specific, if you recall. Okay? And then that's where it's in the gallery. Let me move this one here, will be easier for us. Okay? So here we go, Control V. And the one that they are specific, we move. So gallery, we know we don't have there, so we want to keep it here. And scale, we said this one is there. Fab house, it's there. And then finish, it's already there too. We remove it. What else? What do you think? Should I delete everything? I think this one we need, gallery. This is special. All the other thing, it's the same, if I'm not wrong. You see anything? It's not in the base. I think all the rest are in the base. This one you can tell it's the same. Let's go close this one. This one is the same, so I can get rid of this one as well. I can get rid of article and content. Very good. So the only things, those two, we need to keep right in the gallery and keep it there. Okay? So we are in the gallery. Those one exist here. So we don't need, let me move the view to here. So in the gallery, we just keep this one. So this one we don't need. Okay, we finished the meta. Let's see if we can really, let's see if that will work for us. You know, we need to put the whole things in the part here. Not this one, not this one, not this one. We need the content. This one. Okay, where's the content? Here we go. Let's copy the content. Let's go back to the gallery. That's where we'll check that everything does work. And we remove stuff as we go along. We don't need those ones. Control V. And we need to write end. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
All right, let's see if that works. Refresh, and hopefully that works. I left two pictures, so it won't take too long. Yeah, that still works. Beautiful. So we will go very fast, you will see. We became to be expert on that. Let's go into links. What is the next part is? Next part is, what is next part? And we already know some libraries that they are not necessary. So let's go back all the way, the links. Let's go and do the links. We want to make sure we keep only the stuff that we don't have, correct? So let's see which kind of links. We have the PHP there, the title with the title, by the way. I just put my own title. Let's put the title in the right place. Title will be, where's the title? I put the title right here, but I'll put the one that they like. Correct? Good. Let's move on. Links. All of those are links. And then let's go to next one. So let's see which one we have. Google, JSON, this one. This is our base. And I'm trying to see which one we have. So let's see. We have the fab. You see that? This one we already have. The next one, the comment, we already have. This one, I'll get back to that later on. I'll get back to that later on. Okay. So let's see. Let's see, there's the identifier ones that we have here. 519. I don't see those links. How come they are not in the base? $665. I don't see those one either. And let's see, let me take those ones too. Okay. Let's see which one I can delete. Okay. Where is this one? Let me do Control F. Control F. This is the only place? No, that should be right there. So that one is the 2C. I don't see the 2C. Yeah, see, they are different. You see that? Their libraries are different slightly, and that's why we're getting a hard time. Got it?
Yes.
They are different than the base. So let me see which one they do have. By the way, we change with this one on the static. So let's look at this one. Hold a second. I know what to do. That's not what I want to check. And that's why, but this one, where is it? This one is here. No, this is font. Yeah, this is here. This is here. This is can go. What else? And then we have the, what else? This one is CC. We changed the names. I think we gave them numbers. You see that? Yeah, we changed those ones. Those three are indeed those three. Yep, we changed their names, I recall. This is good. This is fine. Then what else we have? Yeah, we changed the names, if you recall.
Yes.
With me?
Yes. Yes, we
Now
can.
it's really hard now to. The 519, all of those we changed the names. That will be really hard to start. Which one is what? CSS 655. Let me see that. You see? We have here, we call it 6555, which is most likely this one. Now the problem is, I know what to do. Those two have to be spatial. Won't help you. This one I will need special, and I recall that they must be special. Okay? Then the rest, they will go away. All those go away. All those go away. All of them. And the JSON, I think we do have here the web JSON. Okay, and those ones should stay there. Gallery and gallery should stay there. This is good. This is okay. So let me take this one here, bring this one to here. Very good. Now all the rest I think should go away. All the other links, W, S, F, it also go away. All the other ones should go away. All the other links. Let me see if there's any other links. Control F. Link. Yeah, here we go. There's a link here. And this one, it's also the 400. I remember we did it. So that can go away. And that's it. I think this is it. So I can take this one out. Okay? Because this is in the base, correct?
Yes.
And this one really should be on top, not inside here. Okay? Let's see if that's still working. And we are okay. Let's go back to here, refresh. Now we don't have any pictures. Screwed up. Doesn't work. Some of the libraries don't have it there. So what we will do, Control Z. Okay. Let's leave this one here. This one comes from there. Let's see if now it will work. Yeah, now it's working. Now, what is the library that we screwed up? Let's see which one. If I take this part, I should be able, let me take this one out. Control Z. No, I want to take this one out. Put it in here. It should be fine. Fair enough. Let me go here. See if I still get it screwed up. No, this is working. Good. So which stuff? So this is good. So what's the problem? Let me take this one out. And this is inheriting. I know why. Control Z. Sorry. The reason is I didn't put here in the gallery. I made a mistake. And the contact. Where's the contact? I had catalog. Let me go to the catalog. That's what I made a mistake. That's my mistake. Gallery. Control V. I don't need these. I don't need these. I don't need these. And I don't need these. Correct? Then the catalog. I have a title. Then I have the specific. That's right. Something's here. Then I have the title. Then I have the specific for the metal. Then we have the link. Here's the link. So let's go back to the link here. This one is unnecessary, supposed to be. This should be unnecessary and I should be okay. Let's try that. Am I right, Daniel?
Yes.
Good. So we're done with the link. Let's move to the next topic. Next topic, I have to do it really quick. Fibs. Okay, so this one was good. The next one is script. That might be it. So let's take the script and the specific. Whatever it's not there, we will put it in the specific. Is that right? It was me, Danny. This is a good review, by the way. Control V. Okay, what are those functions? I think this one we're familiar with. They're all the same. And we have it. This one is also we're familiar with. It's the same. No need to even check. This one is the same. This one is the same. Okay? Then I think we changed a lot of those libraries. Let me see. Let me see the 42. Control F. 42, yeah, there are two. So it's there. Forget about it. Forget about this one. And I think this one is also. Control F. There are two, yeah. This one also can go away. And I think this one too, if I recall. Control F. There are one. So if there is one, we must keep that style. This is a style, not a script. So let's leave the style aside for now. Let's continue with the script, with this one. Now this one, I know I removed all of them, so I can remove it from here. And what about those one? See those 5? This is all those ones, same things. Those 5s can go away. They can go away. I'm almost sure. Let me double check to make sure that I didn't screw up anything. And this script is also has to go away. I don't need it. Let me try that. See if I'm lucky. Okay. Fresh. Let's go back here. Yeah, it works. Let's do terminal. Restart this server. Let's see that that works. Still working. Yeah, there's something here I forgot. I need to remove it. Okay, let's see this one work. Yeah, this one work. So I'm doing good. But there's a place that what does it say there? Let me see where this one coming from. Control copy. I forgot to delete something. Control F, Control V, but I don't see it. Why? He doesn't like this. Anybody see it? Yeah, here it is. It's inside the style. I have a style here, but there should be more than one. I know that this style we do have, so I can even delete it. Ah, here it is. This is the problem. This is next that mess. But I know I can remove this one also because we had that. And this one I can remove. Facebook I can remove. All of those I can remove. All those I can remove. Let me try that now. Let me try that and see what happened. I screwed up something and I don't know really what I did, but we'll fix it. Fresh, this is gone. Gallery of the month. I removed something here by mistake. You see that?
Yes.
Control Z. I wonder what it is. Let's see again. Oh, it's here. Good. So we know it's here. So let's go just step by step. This one I cannot delete. Am I right? This one I
Yes.
can delete. Which part I shouldn't delete? I wonder. This one I know I can delete. This one I know I can delete. And what about this long one? Can I delete this long one? I think I can, but I'm not sure which part I deleted. They didn't like me. Let's go back to here, refresh. Yeah, still this one is still there. Okay, we're going to get rid of it eventually, but it's still working. Div, I should keep the div. This one, in my opinion, should go away. Let's see, Control C. It's a waste of time, this one. Okay, good. We're getting better. Good. I think we can delete all of those. What is this one, by the way? Yeah, I think we can delete all of those. Just what I think, but I'm not sure. Let me try that. Control delete. Go back to here. Control C. Have to start the server if you have static files. No, it's one of those. See that?
Yes.
Okay. Good. At least we know. Control Z. One of those. One of those we cannot delete. Now, which one do you remember? I have a feeling this one, but we'll see in a second. Let's do this one, like this one. And let's take that one first. Let's see what happened. Let's leave that one. And I think this one we do have, don't we? In the styles. Okay, let's see. Let's take this one first. Let's see if that's still giving us a hard time. That's fine. That's got big. So we need one of those two. We do need. I wonder which one. Let's delete this one just for fun. Yes. Let's see this one. Yeah, this one also. We didn't need that one. It seems like this one we need, and I wonder why. This one we need for some reason, and there's probably a number here. Okay, I tell you what, we don't have to break our head. We just take this one, is that right? And we need to put it into the specific, where's that one? Okay, we're done with this part. Specific script. We do have the specific script. Was we specific script? So let's take this one, put it in here. Now we don't have to think about it. Am I right? This is it. Control C, bingo, and go back to here, refresh, and say that that works. Yeah, it works. Good. Next, let's move on. In fact, we're already kind of repeating what we have done before. So now we want to go into the next one. What do we have next after the script? We're done with those scripts. We had the specific. What next? The end. I think the end are the same. If I remember, those are in the end. Let me put it here. I don't think there's any. Let me look at the catalog. Catalog end, yeah, it does have some. Okay, we'll get back to that, but eventually we're going to throw them away anyway. Go back to the gallery, and I'm going to go here. And help me God, let me get rid of that stuff. And we want script, Control F, script, is that right? Script, and there's a lot of them here. And, I think we need to keep this script here. There's LI. Let's keep that script here, and I think this is the reason. Let's keep it there. Let's move to the other script that we have. I think this one can go away. If I remember, this one can go away. Yeah, it'll go away. This can go away. As I remember, this can go away. And on the rest, what is those ones? I think all of those need to go away. Let me try that. And you go here on the top. Here we go. Let's start from these ones we know. By the way, this is the big one that I just deleted. And go away. Let me see in the bottom. Let me put it right here, Control V. And we can start removing stuff. You see this block. I don't think we need these ones. All of those can go away. Yeah, all of those can go away for sure. Let me see this one. Control F. Do I have one? Yeah, I have only one. So this one has to stay. And what about the 750? I think we need to stay away. And this one can go away. Let me see. If this one, I think this one can go away too. This one can go away. Can go away. All those can go away. What else left? Let me see if there is anything else needs to go away. Let's see this long one. Yeah, this one needs to go. Okay. What else? What is this one? This is the long one. Yeah. I don't think common reply. Let me take the response away for now. Just to make less room. Let me take this one away too. So I will have less space. This one is the same. Yeah, this one can go away. This is can go away. I just want to see if there's any. This can go away. Honestly, I don't think there's anything in the gallery. Let's create add to cart. See the add to cart and all of those we're gonna remove anyway. Okay, Let's see what left. I tell you what, I'm gonna remove the whole thing. I'm gonna remove this part. That's a specific plug-in. Let me remove this one and see what happens. I think that we don't need all of those stuff. This one we do. This one we might do. And point. This one. Let me see what happened. Hold on for the picture. Okay. Yeah, we're missing here. See that? I do miss some libraries. This is the problem. Okay, we'll have to go through that one choice. This is really what the problem is. I'm missing some libraries here. So we will have to know how. Let me see what happened now. Yeah, some libraries are missing here. Nope, still. Nope. Yeah, still. Yeah, okay. And good. So I think this is the part that is one of the libraries here we screwed up on. Okay? So let's go step by step. And the easiest way probably would be to take all this part away. Go through all of those. I don't need those. That one is gone. Let's go back here. Control C. I'll figure it out. Okay, refresh, that should work. Good, still working. Good. So I'll go back here. And now there is some, my feeling is that some of those libraries are missing, and which one of them? We go back to this one. Go to the gallery, put it here. And okay, this one we do need. Now let's remove those ones. 79. But there is, here is 79, and here is 78. So what does that mean? That means that I'm going to take this one and replace this one with it. Let's see if that will do it. Okay. Let's see if that will do it. Take the whole thing out of here. I don't think so, but maybe. Fresh. Okay. No, I don't have it. It's not there. Yep. It's disappearing on me now again. Shit. What was it? 79, maybe it is 78. Control Z. Control Z. 78. Let's leave the 78 too. Let's see which one is that. No, it's disappeared altogether. Shit. Control Z. Oh. How interesting. That's very interesting. This one is in the basics, so why it's not taking it? This one, it's exactly what is here. So this one and this one are the same. Now this is gallery one. This is gallery. This one and this one are the same. Should be the same. Don't get it. Same thing. So why doesn't it take it? Let me try the following in a second. Must be here. But why do I need this one to repeat itself? That one I don't need to. Let me try that again. Should work now, but I don't know why it doesn't. Which? Yeah, it does. Okay, good. That's a good. Very good. Okay, so we already do have a problem on one of the libraries that we didn't put here for some reason. So let me go and see here the end, not the end. I need a specific. Where is this one is there, black, style specific, script. Where is the end? Specific end. Specific end. Specific end. Okay. Now, end. This is the end. And this is the specific. Now, I thought this is the only one that they are missing. But apparently, what I would do is go back to here and let's see which one we really have or which one we don't have. Specific end. So let's go and take these ones. Hopefully we'll figure it out. Let's see which one we can remove. We're missing one of those. We're missing one of those scripts. Okay. So I don't really know which one are there that we are missing. 750. It's not there. It should stay there. I wonder which one. Let me try that. Those one. And let's see if we have those ones here. Control V. And let's see what we got here. We got this one. And what do we got here? No, we don't have those ones. 1, 2, 3. This one I know we have, so I don't really know why it's still there. I know this one we have. Let me try that. and I know that's the hell with it. Bear with me a second. I'm gonna do it this way. The hell with all of those. And let's see what happened now. Try that. Good. Yep, it doesn't go. No, it doesn't. So it's one of those libraries probably I screwed up. I'm tired of it. I really am. Okay. Shrink to one of those libraries I should not really delete. Let's see which one are those. Okay. So let's see, I will start from memory. Let's remove this one. And let's remove this one. Two other sections. And let's see if that's still yeah, it's still working. That means those are okay. Just when I don't really care. Let me see now from Gallery 1. These are the one that we do. Which one is this one? So this long one, I should not delete. Hold a second. Let me continue with the gallery. Let's see if I get rid of all of those ones. Two, three, two, two, three, two, two, three, two is still there. That's shrinking the ability, that possibility, Control C. Let's see if that will do. Good. Okay, we're getting closer. It's only if you left. This one, the 3-2, I think need to stay. And the gallery one, yeah, this need to stay. Well, that's 78, need to stay. Let me see in the gallery. This is 79. So this one should stay. Let's see what else. Try to remove those. Let's see what happens. It's one of those that I'm missing. It's getting clear. Gallery. Need 78 we bumped. Need show. And this one we do need the essential. Essential. I don't see it here. I don't see it here. So let me do the following. It will be smarter too. Just do the following. This one I will need. Now what about those ones? Let me see if I need the V7 contact form. If I need a contact form, control copy, control F, control V, contact 7, it's there. That can go away too. You don't need that one, it's there. Let me see if what else. Let me see W card hash. I don't think this one should be there. Control F, control V. Yep, this one don't need to be there either. Let's see, let's try it again. We're getting closer. You with me, Daniel? Sorry about it.
Yes, doctor.
Yeah, I just, you know what I'm doing, don't you? We try not to duplicate and find a missing library.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, I think it's one of those libraries are missing. I
Yes.
deleted one of those by mistake. Maybe this one is missing. We had those. See, this one I had from before. So I don't know which one I'm missing. This one or this one. These two, let's say this one. Control copy. If we have that one or not. Control F, Control V. Yeah, we do have this one, but it is the same one. Let's try it. We don't have a lot of, one of those is missing. All these, all these. Let's remove this one and let's see if that works. Okay. There's only two left. One of them I haven't kept. And that's why I'm not getting it working. Good. Okay. Let's try that. Yeah, that library we don't need. We're really missing only this one, which is really a shame. This is the only one that I'm missing. So in any case, that's what is this one, and what about the first one, by the way? What about this one? Is this one we need? Control copy. We go back to here. Control F, Control V, and I don't see it. So let's keep that one too. Okay, maybe this one we don't really need either, but let's double check. Maybe the first one is missing. Control copy, and let's go here. Control F, Control V. Is this it? No, I don't think so. It's WC Ajax. WCHXUR. Is that right? Isn't it this one? I think this one and this one is the same. Yeah. Let's try to remove this one too. If it doesn't work, then we know that this one needed. But I think the top one we are missing. And this one, I don't want to. If it is, I would like to download it and give it a name and put it somewhere. You know? Because I don't want to keep it this way. Yeah, this is the library we're missing. And for some reason, I have a feeling we did use this one. If you remember, the jQuery, we did have that one somewhere. Let me see in the catalog if it's not there. Control F, Control V. Yeah, here it is. Let's try putting it there. Let's see if this is the reason. I think this is what we already downloaded it. And we just didn't put it in the, yeah, and it's in the link specific. Let me take it out for a second. Let's see if this is the reason why it didn't work before. And we add the one that we downloaded. Yeah, this is it. This is the library that is missing. But I think we did download it. And this is it. No, this is the script. Hold a second. Control Z. Yeah, this is the link. Huh. Now I understand why we're getting this error. It has to be in the link. And for some reason, we don't have it in the link. Let me do Control V. And let's see if that will work. Okay. Beautiful. That was the issue. Okay. I think we back to business, meaning we really can take all the rest of the code from Gallery 1 because I did the whole things already. I'm gonna copy the whole things as it is. Go to here and take this one out, Control V. Let's see what happens. Okay. Nothing is working. Which makes sense, by the way. Hold a second. No, you know what? Control Z. Let me put it back. I'll go step by step. Might be better eventually. Okay, we know this one is working. Now we need from Gallery 1, let's go back all the way up. And we done with this one. Specific. We have this one. We have the styles. Let's take that one, let's take that one. Up to here. We just need now the style. Control V. And let's take the style. Everywhere it says style, we should be able to remove. Control F. That's going to style. Fair enough. And we don't need all of that style. That's right. Do we have another styles there? That's next. Okay, good. Let's see if that works. Refresh. Yeah, it should give me 2 pictures. Should click. Very good. Okay, let's move on. We want to remove now the header. We want to put the header. If you recall, this one is good. This one is good. We want now to put in the gallery. We should have a body. Where's the body? Here is the body. Web body. Web body. I am lost. So this is a web body. But we have body class. We should have the body class and go back to gallery and put it here. All right. Yep. We can remove this one. Should work. Yeah, I know that. Body class, why it doesn't like me? What's the error? I appears more than once. Yeah, why did I put it twice? Yeah, here. Okay, it's already there. Okay, good. So the truth of the matter now, I'm gonna mimic what I did in the gallery one. So it will help me. We don't need the header, correct? Can remove the header.
Yes.
And we can remove the bottom part. Is that right? The footer. The footer, is that right? Let's leave
Yes.
this one for now, as intentionally I'm not touching it. But where's the footer? Do you see the footer? Here it is, the footer. You can remove the footer as well. In fact, we can remove the whole things here. We should be able to remove the whole things. Let's see now. Go back here, refresh. Good. Do we have a footer? I don't see a footer. Do you?
No.
Why? And I don't see the header either. And that's because, why? We have this one, and we have, this is the 0. And where is the header? Header should be there because we're inheriting from this one.
Yes.
And since we're inheriting from this one has a header. And but maybe we don't have hold a second. We're gonna do the following. Let's go back to the view. And in the gallery, I have a company value, gallery, object, and items. I have a feeling I'm gonna do something first. This is pagination, so I will remove it for now. And I will do the following. Control. Okay, I will do the following. The items, I'll remove the items. Items I don't want to put. So let's see what happened now. Yeah, you see, I do have the gallery, but I don't have the footer. Why? No, I don't have the header either, do I? No, I don't
Yes.
have. Why I don't have the header? Anybody? Daniel? Wanda? Anybody? Why I don't get the header? I forgot it somewhere. This is fine. This is fine. Why I don't get the header? This one has a header. And this one has a header. The headers are in here. The body, then we put it in the body. Where's the body? Here we go. Should be here. No, not this one. Content, div, and here we go. We have a header, and we have this one. Let me write something here, Amos. I don't know if it will do anything. Because this one goes to this one, and this one has a header. So why it doesn't take it? God, should take it. Gallery, HTML gallery. We removed all of that stuff. We have a U. That's the U. That's the loop. And we need to delete something here. In a second, we'll see. Maybe there is some. And there's the URL here. It says black content. I think this is the error. This is the error. Anybody see that? This is black error, but we need really this one, web body. We need web body and not the content, because only this part we need. And that's blocking the header. So I really don't need this one here that I did here. This is fine. I don't need this one. I think that should work now. Yeah. Wait, why does it go to the left now? What happened to that? Did I make a stupid things? Anybody? I probably did something stupid.
We are missing the footer.
Again, Daniel?
We are missing the footer.
The quota?
Yes.
Well, this is okay, is that right?
Yes, that's okay.
Okay.
Maybe now the footer could be the problem.
Here. Here.
Yes.
Well. What is really there that going? The gallery is going crazy, is that right? Those two.
Yes.
The gallery and the picture. But see, these ones I don't really care much. Those two top, I tell you why. I'm gonna change them. I'm gonna copy for myself. All this part, I don't really want. And what I'm gonna do, because gallery one is good. So in gallery one, all what I going to do is, gallery one is nicely organized. I'm just gonna go from here all the way down. All the way down to here. delete the whole things, and then just go from here, copy this body of gallery 1. Control copy, go to gallery, and I'm gonna get rid of all this part. Because this one I know it works. I played with it the other time. This is nicely organized. Let's see now. See? No, but the pictures didn't come out. Why the pictures didn't come out? Let's see. Where is the picture? Image. Us. Control Z. Control Z. Let's leave it. Let's go into here. Ah, maybe this one is missing. You got it?
Yes.
And I have a feeling this is really what's happening here. Control V. Let me do that. And where is that function supposed to go to? This one after the clear. Div clear. I have div clear here. Yeah. After or before? After. After, right?
Yes.
I have a feeling that this one is missing right here. Let's see now if I can get rid of this one. Enough. Let's see if that works. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, thank God. Finally, we got it normally, and everything is beautiful. Now we go step. Now we're starting really. We have about 20 minutes top, but at least I will play with 2 pictures and the rest will be the same, okay? So we don't have to run through a long, long way. So now we already have done stuff like that in the past, okay? We go to the view, and now there's one more thing, which is a little more. This one I will deal with in a minute, okay? And this one I will deal with in a minute. But we do want to get the copy and the gallery object and put like we did in the contact. So I can close. By the way, did I do it here? No, I didn't. But I did do it in the gallery. This one I think I did. And let's use it. Here we go. We have the pictures that we want to put here. So I am going to use this one here. See that? I already have done it, so I'm not going to repeat. It won't show any difference beside this one. I don't need anymore. But in the beginning, we have this one. We have the picture here. And we're going to remove the picture. Right? See, we have the picture here. And that's stuff we have done before, if you recall. It should be the title. Okay? I already put the title there. Fair enough? And where it says gallery here, we want to be able to change if somebody want to write something different. I already have done it. So you just change this one here. Make sure that this is Control V. You see, I already took it from the database. And Daniel and Jeremiah, you guys should be familiar with that stuff. Is that right? Sometimes about this one, I already have done it. I'm just copying. I had an arrow before. You saw my arrow. Click this one. Yeah. Need those 2. I'm just gonna copy them to the gallery. See that? And that will replace this line. That will work perfectly. I think there's one more. Yeah, it's right here. And I got to back to here, and here it is. Fair enough?
Yeah.
This one, I'm not gonna go over that. We did it before, so let's not waste time. This one should come from the database. So now I already put the data on my computer. Now is the loop. This is the important thing that I wanted to do something special about. Okay, so I think this is the end of this one. Okay, here we have a loop. I'll copy it in a second. And in fact, this is a really good one. I will use it in a second. But first of all, I want to make sure this is working. That's fresh. And that's good. This is coming from the database now. Okay. This one, this is not. And that's what I'm going to fix. Okay. I'm going to change because I did have done something here. If you have good eye, you see this part in the U, I have a loop.
Yeah.
So I'm going to copy it. I did it in the middle of the night. And I'm going to remove everything inside the UL and change it to a loop. Because that's what we really want. Control V. Let's see if it works. I think I uploaded pictures too. So this is supposed to be replacement. I go over that in a minute. By the way, this is taking the picture. Stuff we have done in the catalog. Similar. The only thing is there is items here. So I have a table items, and this is gonna be really special things. I don't think it will work in the first time. So we will need some more than that. Okay, this is something that I wanted to start the session with this today. Okay, we want to make smarter than they did. This loop, this kind of a loop, we have done it before, but I want to make a smart loop, a loop that will make it efficient. Okay, so I'm going to see first of all if it probably will not work. Yeah, it does, but this is beautiful. It really is beautiful. This is beautiful. And okay, the loop does work, and that comes from the database. If we go to the database, that's their website with our, I'll get back to that, Let's go to the database. Daniel, we are on the same page. Is that right, guys?
Yes. Yes.
Jeremiah, you with us?
Yes.
Wendell?
Yes, I am.
Okay. In the phase, I made if you look, I did a categories, contact, where's gallery? See galleries, and there is items. I only put two, okay? So I just put the items like we did in the catalog. There's nothing new, pictures and a title, okay? And it takes it from there. But what I really want to do special is this part, which is really hard. It's not really that hard, but I added here two libraries, and those, in fact, this is really the guy, he did a good job here, okay? And I took his stuff and implemented it a little smarter. He's using it with numbers. I use it with this one. I want to make pagination. What does it mean, pagination? And I will explain. I want it to go page by page. So when a person see their web page, it takes forever to download. You see that? This one, when you refresh it, takes a lot. So what I want to do is, so I want, it will download, the first time you see the page, I want him to download 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, That's a 15 picture. 15 picture will not take a lot of time. But if you put 30, 40, 50, it will be very, very slow. You got it?
Yes.
And I want it to be very smart. As I scroll down, you will start downloading. So the user see a very nice, when you scroll down, you don't realize that it's downloading at the same time you're scrolling. And that's really will make this web page smarter. So I'm gonna go here, okay, and implement it. I have only two, but we'll add more later on, okay? First of all, I have to copy those two libraries. I think I already copied them. And let's go to the gallery. In the gallery one, I think everything's here. So the gallery, where did I put them, gosh? Where did I want to put them? Links. I can put them anywhere I want. Here we go. I did put them here. See, this is the place they're supposed. You put another two libraries of a script. There are waypoints. Somebody wrote a library in jQuery. They put a plugin. I don't really care how it works. I know how to use it. So I'm going to go here to, I'm copying for myself. I did it at night and I didn't finish. So when we go to the specific script, I just put it there, those two libraries that I need to add. Those ones should do the trick. Okay, so I copied for myself. What else I need to copy here? I think this is one. I think toward the end, yeah, I deleted these ones, but I will add in a minute, okay? I will add all those stuff. Fair, I don't need this one anymore. I'm gonna go here. So I added two libraries here, and let's see what this guy have done. He did a good job, okay? He has this stuff, he has this stuff. By the way, this stuff I already implemented. This is in the view. I just implemented it in a smarter way by, if you notice here, okay, by the way, we'll be able to see that when you're taking data, it takes, you see, it takes those two at a time. So this part is working. He wrote it all for numbering. I implemented it. This is his stuff, okay? So if you see, it just made the list of numbers and I don't really need. I made something really more sophisticated. In the gallery objects, I have items. This is the table of items. So I take all the items in there and then I'll tell him, give me 10 pictures at a time. That's really what it means. Every time, paginator, I would teach it, by the way. I would teach it. I just wanted you to know what I'm doing here. And I would go over it next semester. Don't be afraid. Okay, this is part of the curriculum for next semester. But paginations is bring me 10 or whatever number here. If I write one, it will give me one by one. That's if the web page is really loaded. But 10 is fine. You know what, let me write 5 because he's jumping by 5 there, if I'm not wrong. Okay, he's using numbers and you see paginator is using 20 numbers at a time. I use 5. And then this is really, I use the page just like he did, but I just called it items instead of numbers. Okay, and the rest is the same things. He's transferring numbers and I transfer items. And that's the end of it. Okay, now that I have items inside the gallery, I'm looping, where is it? Here we go. Here we go. Let me just close this. I don't need this one. I don't need this one. Yep. All right. I think I need this one. Yeah, I need this one, I think. Yeah. Let's close these ones a little bit. Make it easier to follow. Okay. This is really what we care about. It's that loop. So items, they will come down every 5 as you scroll down. But to make it work right, you have to add some JavaScript here. And that's really what he has done here nicely. He did the extend, all of that stuff we did. We do, see, this is our loop, similar to his loop. Just we have a much more sophisticated loop. But those two stuff we need to copy. Okay? And in fact, you know what I will do? He added another nice things that I liked. It's giving me a message of loading. I think this one is the same. This one, it has the same here. What did he do here? Infinite. Yeah, I need one more things to do. I'm going to take this one, just copy him. And I'm going to put it inside this one. This should be class. I'll give it a class. And that will be the name of the class. It has to refer to the one that is looping over, is looping inside this class. So that's what he did here. His loop, it's inside the div. I wanted it's like a list. So that's why I put it this way. So I put the class right in there. Then I have, it has this too, but hold a second. I want to do the one that has also the loading. So this one I did. Now I need this one. Let me copy the whole sheet here. I think that will take care of everything. And let's put it on the very bottom here. Okay. And instead of numbers, we're using items. Okay, because we're looping over items. And this is just really class A. I don't really care. This one has no meaning. And this one just making load. And this one is the important things. Infinite container, I think this is the name I called it. Unite, control, copy, control F. Yeah, this is the way I called it up. I need it. It's the container of the loop. And all the rest should work. On after, and let's see, cross your finger. And where is our stuff? No, this is their stuff. This is our stuff on my computer. First of all, let's see that it works. It does work. Now, escape. And one thing that I would like to inspect element, and let's go to the console. Let's see, I'm getting errors here. Oh, nope, download. Download failed. Why is that? I don't care. This one, picture. I don't care. I want to see the page. But because I have only 2 pictures, I'll tell you what I will do. I will change it to 1. Let's change it to 1. And then maybe it will show me I put 5 and I have already took 1. Let me change it to 1. Like it will download 1 picture at a time. And that should work. We'll continue next time. Daniel, I would recommend you guys read that article.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Okay, it's good. He downloaded 1. You see that?
Yes.
But I'm not flipping. I'm not scrolling. So we need at least, see, this is beautiful. It does work. And let me change it to 2. Let me change it to 5. 5, this is really what it should be. In fact, I will put it even 10. So what I would like to do was that we finish, Daniel, give you some work to try it on the server. Let's try to do it. You know what? Let me put 5 here. No, let's put 10. I just don't have enough time to do all of that. To put 10 pictures or 11. I need 11. So we can, let's do it, Daniel. What do you say? You help me, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to upload it to the server so you can work on it. But for now, I'm going to add more pictures. Okay.
Yes.
So all of them will be under the same one. And where do we get the pictures? We get it from, is it, by the way, the gallery? Yeah, it is the gallery. I think I did the first one. I did the second one. Yep. Let's do those ones. This is the third one. Right click, save image as, and bingo. Save. Okay.
Okay.
So where is it? You following? This is the one I just did?
Yes.
Okay. Just make it sure that I'm not making mistakes. And the title is right here. You see that?
Yes.
I would like you to do on the server all of them. Okay, I'll just do so we can test it. We don't need this guy anymore, and we just put this one here, and we put the picture, which is this one. Save. Another one. That goes fast. It's not too bad. We did that one. That's the picture, right?
Yes.
Let's go here. Let's go here. Control V. Go here. Take the picture and save it and save. And by the way, this is really a stupid way to do stuff, but that's the way they did it. Image, and that's right. This is it. Save. Let's say just for check that we are okay. Did I close it? Yeah, I did. 127. I just want to make sure that that's uploading. I don't need this one. I just put an F. This is on my computer. Is that right, Daniel? We're going to the gallery. We should have 4 pictures now. See that?
Yes.
Really nice. Everything works beautifully. But we want to make something more unique than that did. So let's go continue. We have done that one. Let's go to the next one. I do this one. We're going here, adding another picture. Title. Not bad, is it? Save it the same place, so it will be easy for you to follow up. The last one, and save. And then let's do one more and see if that will help. And go to the next one. You know, it's easier for me to follow up when I copy the title first. I noticed. Copy. I put here. Control V. And I didn't download it. I need to download this one. Right click, save image as, and save it. And now I can go back and upload it. Beautiful. Let's see what we got. Here we go. Refresh. I'm getting pictures. Why this one goes to here? It doesn't give me to scrolling. My God. I hope I didn't scroll. No, this is it. This is good. This is good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is this one, by the way? No, there's nothing. I don't know what this one is, but this is going here. You see that? Let's put a few more. Let's see what happens. What? Somebody close that noise. Good, thank you. Okay, so what do we have here? We're getting this one more, Control V. And then, let's see, I'm waiting to see if we're testing. Save image as, save, and good. Go back to here. Last one, online, save. Let's see how that looks like now. That's theirs. That's ours. Refresh. Okay. Now, if I scroll down, it should bring more picture. You see that? But I want to, let's put some more. And the beauty here, ours will open automatically much faster than theirs. That's why I did this pagination. Okay? Let's add some more. And you will see these ones. Let's add some more. Anybody going to help me?
Yes.
Following me, that I'm not making mistakes?
Yes, we are following you. We are following.
Okay, good, thank you. It's so easy to make mistakes. Save image as, and save it, close it. Now I'm going here. I'm going to add another one. I just want to have enough for testing purposes. And then you do the whole things on the server. See, it's every month. They put a picture every month. After a while, they have so many, they will not be able to. You got it? They will not be able, it will take forever to get those. So you can't really make a program that download all the pictures in one time. Got it?
Yes.
And that's their mistake. Let me put some more. Save. Let me put a few more. Here we go. Let's go to the next one. 2 or 3 more, 4. And that's why I have to get going. Control copy. You didn't think about that idea, did you, Daniel? Do we have the 12? No, I didn't download it. I forgot to download the 12. Where's the 12? Oh my God. Yeah, I made a mistake. No, this is the 12. We didn't download the 12. Click, save image as, save. This was the 12. So we need to upload the 12. The 12 is right there. Save. Let's put a couple more. Okay? Let's put a couple more. And I think then we'll see the effect. The 12. Now we want to go all the way to 1. Here we go. Let's do this one. Control copy. Download the picture. Right click, save image as, save it, and close. And then I can go here. Type. Save. One more. That's one. And see if we can see the effect. And go here. And we go to February 2013. See that every month they're uploading a picture. Now for you to upload a picture would be so easy, you know? Yes. Because you're only adding a row, that's it, in the database. You don't have to touch the code or anything. Okay, let's see. Now is the test. This is ours, correct? You know, when a person logs in, okay, let's close the whole thing, /if, is going here, and okay, I got to the web page. I'm going to the gallery, and I want it to be immediately. You see, ours immediately. Now, when I scroll down,
yes,
is downloading as I scroll down. You got it?
Yes.
And
Yeah.
it will open immediately, always, doesn't matter how many pictures you have. That's the special. That's what we did here. Let me just do the inspect. I want to see in the console how, if it has a page. You see a page here? I tell you what I would do, just for testing purposes, it would be really cool. What I will do is print. I will do print. Yeah, by the way, I did print it here. Here we go. Hold a second. I did make a print here of the items. So I should have on, here we go. So he downloaded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He downloaded, yep.
11 of them.
Now I'm going to do it. I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to print here also the page. Print page. And not only this page I want this page goes to this page. So I want this one to print this one also on the top. Let me do double, even 3 times, so I can see that he's sending okay, let's start scratch. I just want to see the way it calls, and we will start here, refresh.
Yes.
Okay. I want to see if he downloaded everything.
That's not our website.
Where is it?
That's the original website.
Ah, that's the original. Yeah, that's why it didn't give me anything. This is, where is ours?
You closed it.
Okay. So let's do here 127.820. We didn't change the link. I thought that we did. So let's do an F here. And the gallery should, yeah, the gallery going to ours. Okay. Now I didn't scroll down. Let me see what I see here. Oh, I downloaded 11, but it gave me page 1. Page 1, good. I put 10. That's why. How about we change this one to 5? I want to see how that works. Control C. And that will continue. I will upload it, Daniel, to the server, and with that we will end. And then we'll see next time. If we have any error, we'll fix it. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, this is really, that's the gallery. Let's do the following. The new one. Good. Gallery. Good. Here's the gallery. Let's see how many did he download. I hope he didn't download all of them. Yeah, see, he downloaded 5. You see that?
Yes.
In fact, he downloaded 6. You see that? Guys,
Yes.
that's
Yes.
the beauty. That's why you see here immediately the page. Now I'm scrolling down. See that?
Yes.
He continued downloading. Let's see what he did here. He downloaded more, but why I don't see it here? I should see it. Well, it showed you already the first one, but it keep downloading. He's doing it with Ajax. So is really continue downloading. Okay, see, that's the beauty. You're downloading 5 at a time, and that should work very fast. So I'm gonna remove that stuff. We don't need it anymore. And this says, or get page 1 or get nothing, get the page or get nothing. Put 5 pictures at a time. Okay? That's very nice. How many should we put? 10 or 5?
10.
Yeah. Why 10? Then you don't get stuck because here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you always will download 5. Let's put 10. And you guys will put all the pictures.
Yes.
And then we'll see the effect. And then we decide we can change it. By the way, I can make it as a parameters if we want, but forget about it for now. Okay? So I'm just making sure this is running and I will upload it to the server. Refresh. This is really, you see, it's with 10 is a little bit taking a little time, but not as much as time as theirs. Okay?
Yes.
Now I'm going to upload it to the server. I will take all my pictures, which I don't really want to. No, I don't want to put all those pictures. It will get crazy. Let me see the media. The media. Anybody see media? Media. Here is the media. There is this. Here is the gallery. Here's the gallery. Here's the. I'm gonna delete those two, because otherwise you will get a problem. I don't want to upload those ones. In the gallery. Then I'm going to. That's one will give us a hard time. Remember?
Yes.
We'll have to deal with it. The home, did I clean the home? Yeah, I played with I'm playing with all of them, but as you already know, guys, you might get a trouble. We'll have to clean them up on the server. I will not do it now if we get that problem. Yeah, I'm not gonna play with it anymore. The home is automatically, but see, is caching. So next time I'm copying the picture so it will fit nicely. So it does it automatically. But we'll get to that next semester. Not for this semester, really. Okay, this is good. See the pictures 12, those one it didn't download because we didn't have enough. Okay, so this is good. This is good. Okay, I cleaned up the whole thing. If I had to choose on the middle, I can delete all of them, but I will keep it. You're going to upload it on it. Tell you what I will do. I will screw up mine. That's okay. It will give you a hard time. I'm thinking if I put it, it will give you a hard time. Let me remove it. And I remove those two as well. On mine, it will be disaster, but it's okay. On the server, at least, it will work as it should be. I'll keep this one for now. I don't know, Control Z. Okay. Yeah, because if you find a picture, it will give it a different name. You're not going to touch those one. We did already those one. This is the only one that I want you to play with, the gallery. So let's do that. Okay? Let's do that. Let's see what happens. Okay, yeah, this is good. Yeah, see all those pictures. I don't really want to put, this is the contact. You see that? Contact and catalog. I don't want to put them there. Bear with me. Contact and catalog. Contact. Yeah, those one I don't want to put them there. I just don't want to touch the one that you guys have. And catalog. I think this is the only two, is that right? Is that right? Only catalog,
Yes.
contact, and catalog. Am I right?
Yes, you're right.
Yeah. So we deleted all of that stuff. Good. Let me do it again. Okay, deleted. Which one did you delete? Catalog and contact. Why delete those four? Should delete more. Is there more here? Catalog. Okay, that's it. We'll deal with it if we have to. Okay, let's go upload it. Cross your finger now, hopefully it works. And I got to run. I'm late. Okay. Let me go here. I just need to use my other computer for the other command. Then I did it in a way you cannot use only one computer. You must use two computers for security purposes. You know, Israel is #1 in security. So people are lazy sometimes and they're paying big price later on. So that's why I split it on two computers and you identify which computer you're uploading it to the server. So you cannot do it from every computer. It's only my specific computer. My second one, not the one that I do the programming on. Okay, let's wait a couple minutes and hopefully it works. Now, Daniel, what you will need to do is really going, say I think I deleted all the, no, I didn't. Did I or I did not? I don't remember. I think I did. But it doesn't matter. We're gonna go to Academy City is down now. And you're going to put all the data here. You see that?
Yes.
You know how to get this page, don't you?
Yes, I do.
This is really for this one, you do from their website and you do right click and view source. And then you go from the UL, this is the first picture. In a minute, I'll show you where you put it. This one is not gonna work now. This one will work, but I think I made a mess by deleting. If I go to the galleries, the items, I will not have, I don't have pictures. I think I deleted all the pictures. I don't think there's a picture there. Migrations, and then collect static files. 2 more minutes. With the admin, let me just run one more command. Okay, I'm gonna go to the admin. You with me, Daniel? And the part that you need is this one. See, I added more tables. Now you have galleries. So you have to go to the galleries first, add a new row, and choose that one. Then the title, let's call it gallery. I think that's the way I called it, yeah. And here, remember, here we have that picture. If you remember title, I'm doing it for you, okay? Then section, I forgot how did we call it, pictures of the mouth, okay? And that one is the P1. So now you have the galleries. That's only one you need because they have only one page of gallery.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Copy that one. Now it's all on the server. Now we go to items. Fair enough. And now we need to go to their web page. See, this one you don't need anymore.
Yes.
You go to their web page. In fact, you can go to this one. This is their web page. You see that? The source.
Yeah.
And then you start as I did. You go to here. That's I would put just one picture and you do the rest.
Yes.
Plus, and then I choose there's only one. That's the title. And by the way, I already downloaded the pictures, if you remember. So I'm just going to use the first one. But you're going to download, make a directory for yourself.
Okay.
Okay, now you want to check in Academy City. You go to Academy City and make sure you're really seeing the pictures. You put an F, you know that. That's one. You go to the gallery, you will see one picture. You should see one picture. Is that right?
Yeah.
Very cool. You see, this is on the server now. As you add pictures, then we'll see how it's scrolling, if that's opening quickly. Got it?
Yes.
That was quick. Okay, why don't you, I will close it and I let you guys play with it. Thank you guys.
Okay, doctor.
I hope I can count on you guys. Jimmy, you there? Brenda?
Brenda.
Brenda there?
Yeah,
By the
we
way,
are there.
read this article, okay? This article, it's in the link of Academy City. You don't really have to. Let's do it next semester, okay? Just do the pictures for today. Finish up with Uganda towns. I hope you're uploading the data. And we talk tomorrow. I must run. I have a meeting, which I'm late to. Okay, let me just say goodbye to you guys. You know, I like to see you. Here's Mildred. Where are you, Mildred? Here's Daniel. Here, Jonathan. How are you, Jonathan?
I'm okay.
Jeremiah, you going to put all those pictures?
Yes.
I'll be in front of a computer in another 2 hours. I will look it up. Okay?
Oh.
I'll be in another place. I will look it up in Academy City. But this is beautiful. Let's see if the paginations work. That's something that is so essential for them. Moreover, what is the mistake there? Let's see if you think about it. They're showing from 2012. Shouldn't they show the newest one first?
Yes, the first should be the newest.
But we know how to do ordering. You can do it in a database.
Yes.
Do it that way later on. So you show the new pictures first and you go down. And secondly, you want pagination, so you don't want go to the gallery and wait half an hour until it comes down. You see the web page is so slow.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Talk to you tomorrow. I will be, by the way, I have a session on midnight. Whoever wants to join me. And machine learning. I'm teaching Brenda, in fact, I'm going to show them how they're uploading data from Excel.
Okay.
But this one I did one step ahead. I took all the Excel, put it in a zip file, put it on my server. They're going to download it to their computer and they're going to use it for analysis. So if you have the courage to stay awake until midnight, I will be there. Okay, midnight.
Yes, doctor. You can send the link.
You can send the link.
I will send the link. Okay. So I can sleep there. It's a hard one. In fact, it's just showing them the assignment that I'm going to ask them. It's only part one. And then later on, they will do analysis. So, and you get to that when you study machine learning. Okay, have a good one.
Okay, doctor.